Are you tired of feeling the heat in your home during the scorching summer months? Is your air conditioner on the fritz, leaving you sweating bullets? Look no further than our CPC appliance repair services. Our team of skilled technicians are experts in diagnosing and repairing all types of air conditioning systems, from central air units to ductless mini splits. We have the knowledge and experience to get your AC up and running in no time. But we don't just stop at air conditioner repair. We also specialize in heating and furnace repair services. Whether your furnace is blowing cold air or refusing to turn on, we can quickly and efficiently diagnose the issue and make the necessary repairs. Don't suffer through uncomfortable temperatures in your home any longer. Give us a call today to schedule an appointment and experience the difference our CPC appliance repair services can make in your comfort and peace of mind.